Yes.
We have a problem.
What's the problem?
You need to fix it.
What do I have to fix?
You have to pull your ladder out, and we don't want any more birds coming out.
So I gotta pull my ladder out because we don't want any more birds
Inside here?
inside the house.
Yeah.
Did a bird get in the house?
Yeah.
What was he doing?
He was trying to do that window and doing that door.
He was flying between that window and this door.
Yeah.
Did he say anything?
He did.
What did he say?
Say chirp chirp.
Chirp, chirp.
But between that window and between that door.
Really?
And he did get into a sandwich.
He tried to eat your sandwich?
But
He tried to eat your sandwich?
he didn't.
He didn't? Why? Could you eat it? What did you do when the bird was in the house?
I was trying to scare the bird away with my truck.
You're trying to scare him away with your truck? Did that work?
It did.
It did? You scared him out the door?
With your big garbage truck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I better get my ladder out and fix it then, huh?
But I don't want any more birds coming in.
You don't want any more birds?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll fix it.
But now you have to pull your ladder out.
And now I gotta pull my ladder out. Okay, I better pull it out and fix it.